How to check Instagram Reel views? Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so without further any delay, let's jump right into the video. First of all, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Instagram. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once your application is up to date, simply open it. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are in this page, simply head over to the Reels section. It will show you all the Reels that you have posted on Instagram. Before clicking to your Reel video, over here you can directly see the views of this Reel. But for you, if it is not available, then tap on the video and then click on this three dot. Head over to Insights. Right over here, your views count will be available to you. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see all the insights of this video, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can check Instagram Reel views. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.